Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to cook dried gourd. I made a former video how to prepare dried gourd, and today I will show you how to cook gourd. And this way it's almost like a sweet teriyaki taste cook dish. And of course we are rice eater, so when we eat rice we need some sweet and salty, because rice doesn't, well, it does, but it doesn't really have strong taste. So when we eat rice, we always with something, and also miso soup or some kind of soup. So this dish is great for something, it's kind of sweet and salt, and great to put on the rice and eat it with rice. And it's a small side dish, but it's great to have it. This was very short, quick video. If you have dried gourd prepared before, this is very easy and quick. So I hope you make this dish. This is very good with Japanese rice. And I am making every Saturday new videos. So if you like my video, please thumbs up for me. And also, please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. I hope you enjoy my video, and I will see you soon.